Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on student progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So, students, those who are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I will be teaching you the second part of the topic ratios and proportions. So, today's objective of today's class is we're going to learn about the equivalent ratios, types of ratios, divide a number into two parts in a given ratio, divide a number into three parts in a given ratio. So all these things we will be learning in our today's class. So guys, do you remember what we discussed in the last class? So let's revise this. A number of fish and apples that can fit into exactly same trucks are given below. 6,000 apples can fit in the same truck, whereas 4,000 fishes can be fit in the same truck. What is the ratio of number of apples and fishes that can be fit in the truck? So the ratio of apple to fishes is apple to fish is equal to 6,000 by 4,000. 3 3 zeros cancel, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. So for every 3 apples, the space which will take, the same space will be taken by the 2 fish. Now let's move to the new topic, equivalent ratio. Observe the following ratios: 8 by 30, 6 by 10, 12 by 20. Okay. Now can you find the similarities between these three ratios? On solving these three ratios, you get the same result, 3 is to 5. Okay. So 3 tens are 30, 3 6 are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Same 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. See, we got the same 3 is to 5. Okay, now these are called equivalent ratios. When two ratios have same value, these are called as equivalent ratios. We can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now 5 by 2 is that. Now multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. You get 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, again multiplied by 2. 10 2s are is 20, 4 2s are 8. So you can multiply by any number, not only 2. You can multiply by 2, 3, 6, 10. Okay, so let me show you a easy trick how to multiply this, how to get equivalent ratio. I don't multiply by 2, 3 something. Well, I multiply by 10. 5 tens are 50, 2 tens are 20. This is of equivalent ratio. Again multiply by 10, we get 500 by 200. Again multiply by 10, we get 5,000 by 2,000. These are all equivalent ratios. Okay, you can multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. You still will get the right answer. But the easiest way is this. To find the equivalent ratio of 4 is to 5. Okay, how many equivalent ratios you want? Let's see 3. So 4 by 5 is same as 40 by 50 is same as 400 by 500 is same as 4,000 by 5,000. Okay, now let's multiply this by 2. So 1 by 3. Multiply numerator denominator by 2. You get 2 by 6. Multiply again with 2. You get 4 by 12. Okay, multiply with, let's say now multiply with 10, we get 40 by 120. See, by multiplying with any numbers, on simplifying, you get the same result. These are known as equivalent ratios. Find the two equivalent ratios of 6 is to 15. Okay, 60 by 150 and also 600 by 1500. Now see, we are multiplying with 10 by 100 and all. Even we can divide. Let's say let us divide the numerator by 3. Divide the denominator by 3. So 6 by 3 is 2. 15 by 3 is 5. This is also a equivalent ratio. Getting this? We can multiply, we can divide by the same numbers. Now, types of ratio, there are two types of ratios. One is compound ratio, one is continued ratio. Now, what are these compound ratios and continuous ratio? The compound ratios of two or more given ratios is the ratios whose antecedent is the product of given ratios and whose consequent is the product of consequent of given ratio. Compound ratio, product of antecedents by product of consequents. Compound ratio of 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7. Multiply the antecedents, which is 2 and 5, and multiply the consequents, which is 3 and 7. So 2 5s are 10, 7 3s are 21. This is the compound ratio of 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7. Now find the compound ratios of the following. So multiply the product of all the antecedents is equal to 2 is to 5 is to 4 is to 5. 2 into 5 into 4 into 5 by the denominators by consequence 5 into 8 into 11 into 2. Okay, 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, which is 200, and 8 fives are 40, 11 twos are 40 twos are 80, 80 into 11, 880. This is the compound ratio. You getting this? Okay. Okay. Baking is a mathematical, and baking is mathematical as well as delicious. To make the perfect cookie, follow the simple ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 parts of flour, 2 parts of fat, and 1 part of sugar. Yes, the three quantities be such that the ratio of the first two quantity is AB, then the ratio of the last two quantity is B is to C, then we can say that the three quantities are in the continuous ratio, which is A is to B is to C. Yes, so A by B is 19 by 14, B by C is 14 by 19. So A is to B is to C is equal to 9 is to 14 is to 19. Yes, so A by B is 9 by 14, B by C is 14 by 19. So A is to B is to C is 9 by 14 is to 9. Yes. Okay. If A, B, C are in the ratio of 9 by 14, 14 by 14. Okay, what is this? 9 by 14 is to 14, 14 is to 14 is to 19. Then A, B, C is this. Okay. In simpler form, A is okay. So let's divide a number into two parts or in the given ratios. To divide a number into two parts of the given ratio, the first part is first term divided by sum of terms into numbers, second term into sum of numbers into numbers. Let's divide 63 into 4 is to 5 ratio. Okay, the first part is 4. So 4 by the total terms is 9, okay, into the number, which is 63. 9 sevens are 63, 4 sevens are 28. The first term is 28. The second part you can get 63 minus 28, or also you can get it by 5 by 9 into 63. The second term 4 is to 5. The second term is 5, right? So 5 by the total term 4 plus 5 is 9 into 63. We get 35. Interesting fact. देखो यहाँ पे firefighters use wetting agents to make water wetter. So let's divide a number into three parts in a given ratio. To divide a number into three parts of the given ratio, first part is first term divided by the sum of terms into the number. The same thing. Second part, second thing. Okay, and the third part is this. Divide this much rupees, 1,08,000 rupees between Ram, Anu and Ankit in the ratio of 15 is to 10 is to 2. Find Anu's, Ram's and Ankit's share. Okay, let's find Ram's share. Ram's share is 15. The first part divided by total 15 plus 10 plus 2. 27 into 1,08,000. Okay, so this I will write like this: 108 into 1000, right? Okay, so 27. Okay, so 7 fours are 28, 7 5s are 35. You don't know the tables of 27? Okay, no worries. 9 threes are 27, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 15 fours are 60. 60 into 1000 is 60,000. Ram share is 60,000. Okay, so 108 by 27 is 4 is to 1. Okay, so Anu share is 10, right? So instead of 15 it is 10. So 10 by 27 into 108 into 1000, the same thing. So 10 fours are is 40, 40,000, and 2 fours are 8,000. Add them all, you get the respective shares. Okay, so this is how you find. Yes, like this. 15 by 27, 10 by 27. Just simplify this, you get the following answers. Now let us solve the next question. The ratio of illiterate to literate people in a locality is 1 is to 19. The population of that locality is 64,000. How many of this are literate? How many are illiterate? The ratio of illiterate to literate. Okay, so every one illiterate, there are 19 literate people in that society. Okay, so there are 64,000. How many of this are literate? Okay, so the sum is 20. Okay, literate are 19 people, so 19 by 20 into 6400. We will get literate peoples, so 0 cancel. Half of 6,400 is 3,200. 19 into 32. Okay, so anyone knows the table of 19? Yes, 3200 times 19. Yeah, 0000. 19 twos are 38, right? 3 is carried, 8 is written. 19 threes are 57, plus 3 is 60. So 60,800 people are literate. Illiterate is 1 by 20 into 64,000, which is 3,200. I mean to say 3,200. Okay, so 1 by 20 into 64,000 are illiterate, right? Yes. Simplify this. How much do you get? So 3,200. Okay, so this is the answer. When added, we are not getting 64. So what did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? Okay, 60,800. Sorry, it is not 60,800. Yes, we have done it right. We add them, we get 64,000 now. Okay, yes, 3,200 and 60,800. Yes, we had added only one single zero. A certain sum of money is divided into three parts. 2 is to 5 is to 7. If the third part is rupees 2 find the total amount. Okay, the first part and the second part. The third part is 7 by, add all of them, is 14. Okay, and into the total amount x, let x be the total amount. So 7 by 14 into x is 224. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now this is divided by 2. If it goes there, it becomes multiply by 2. So x is equal to 224 into 2, which is 448. So the total amount of money is 448. How much is the first part? The first part is 2 units, which is 2 by 14 into 448. Okay, and the second part is 5 by 14 into 448. Okay, so 14 ones are 14, 14 threes are 42, 14 twos are 28. This is 32. 32 times 2, 64 rupees. 32 times 5, 320 and half of that. 150 and 10, 160. Okay, these are the three parts. Add them all, you get 448. Monthly salary of Suresh is 30,000. He saves some amount of money and the rest he uses in his expenditures. The ratio of savings and expenditures is 1 is to 4. Find the amount of money that he spends monthly. Yes, so the monthly salary, okay, the expenditure is 4 parts out of 5 parts into 30,000. Yes, divide this 5 into 5 6 are 30, 6,000, 6 fours are 24,000 rupees. Yes, out of 24,000, out of 30,000, he is spending 24,000 rupees. This unit is important. If you don't write this, you lose a mark. Yes, in a village there of 1,21,000 people, the ratio of men to women is 6 is to 5. Number of men to find the number of men and number of women. Ratio of men to women is 6 is to 5. The number of men is given by 6 by the total, which is 11 into 1 to 1 into 1000. 11 ones are 11, 11 11s are 121, 11 6 are 66, 66,000 men are there. The same thing you do, you get 55,000 women. Add them, you get 1,21,000. Yes, let's play a quiz before ending this today's topic. Equivalent ratio to 6 is to 10 is, okay, I can see 6 into 3 is 18, 10 into 3 is 30. So this is equivalent ratio. The ratio of number of girls to number of boys in a class is 6 is to 7. If there are 21 boys in a class, then find the number of girls in the classes. Let the total number of students in the class be x. So the number of boys, okay, so is 7, right? 6 is to 7. So 6, 7 by 13 into x is equal to 21. Okay, so x is equal to 21 into 13 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 13 threes are 39. So the number of boys is 39. Okay, so x is the total, sorry, I mean to say the total number of students in a class is 39. If there are 21 boys, subtract 21 from this, we get 18. 18 number of girls are there in the class. Yes. Next one. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 5. Okay, the sum of numbers is 144. Find the largest number. The largest number is 5. 5, right? This is 5. So 5 by 8. 5 parts is the largest. Okay. The sum of numbers is 144. You get the fifth part. Okay. So 8 ones are 8. Okay, remaining is 6, 8 eights are 64, 18 fives are 90, 90 is the largest part. Subtract 144 from 90, you get the lowest part. The ratio 3 is to 2 and 4 is to 5 are equivalent. Okay, so 3 is to 2 and 4:5. Are they equivalent? Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे, see this guys. So what has happened is, in order to make 3 4, we are multiplying by 4 by 3. 2 also 4 by 3. We get 4, but here we get 8 by 3. How much is 8 by 3 approximately? 3 3s are 9, right? So it is less than 3. It is not 4 by 5. So this is false. Yes. The compound ratio of this is 2 into 6 into the 11, product of all antecedent divided by product of all consequents. 2 6 are 12, 11 12 are 132. Okay, 3 2 are 6, 11 6 are 66. Okay, so 132 by 66. Can we simplify this? Yes. So 11 6 यहाँ पे ही कर सकते चाहिए तो. See, 6 6. So 2:1. Do we have 2:1? Yes. This is the answer. Correct. So we have solved all the problems, right? So what did we learn today? We learned about the equivalent ratios, types of ratios, divided a number into two parts in the given ratio, divided a number into three parts. That's all for today. Students, those are new, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. We'll come with the third topic very soon. That's all for today then. Bye bye. Have a nice day.